Hey everyone, JDM here. The global pandemic that we are all still living through has shaken everything up and left a big mess on the table. And I want to tell you about an event that Mindbox is putting on to help you clean it up. As we've all experienced so far in 2020, the world has changed. And as we get further and further into the year, we see that the world is still changing. It will continue to change. And in a lot of ways, it's not going to go back. We're in a new era or a new normal, if you want to call it that. And as small businesses, we've been doing the same thing for years, maybe even for decades. And now we're stuck in a situation where we don't know if what we're doing is going to keep working going forward. So, in order to survive in this new normal, businesses need to make a shift. The environment is shifting, and so we have to as well. And the smartest organizations out there see this as an opportunity, perhaps an unwelcome opportunity, but an opportunity nonetheless to innovate on their business model. And the way you do that is by looking at the four things that comprise your business. You look at your customer, your product, how you deliver it, and how you price that, how you make money off of that, and see how each of those things have been impacted in the new world, how each of those things have changed. And then you find a new path forward. And this is really hard. But we're here to help. So Mindbox has teamed up with Icon Coaching to put on the Shift Workshop. Throughout our organization's histories, we've worked with thousands of entrepreneurs and business leaders from one-woman startups to multinational companies to help them find their path forward. The Shift Workshop is a virtual event that's comprised of four basic steps. First, we're going to help you understand and document your current business model. And you may not even realize that your business has a model or that there are other models out there. So we're going to start by documenting that. Then we're going to look at all of the external factors that 2020 has thrown our way and how those are impacting each of those aspects of your business model. And you probably already have a pretty good idea, at least in the short term, of what those impacts are. But we're going to stretch a little bit into the future and get a deep understanding of those impacts. And then we're going to look at alternative business models. We're going to look at the models of organizations that are somewhat similar to yours and also organizations that are in completely different industries and completely different verticals to think outside the box, so to speak, and find a business model that may work in your case. We're going to generate a whole suite of hypotheses. And the final step is we're going to teach you how to evaluate those hypotheses to figure out which one business model to run with to help your organization not only survive, but thrive in this new normal. And this is how you make the shift. This workshop is a rare opportunity to get together with some professional innovators to talk to you about your business. And I do mean your business because this is a hands-on, very small workshop, and seating is super, super limited because of that. It's actually going to fill up really fast. So if you're interested in figuring out what the right next step is for your business, hit up mindbox.events in your browser. Wherever you're watching this video probably has a link up above or down below for you to click, but hit mindbox.events and you can register for the Shift Workshop. And I'll see you guys soon.